Hello everyone, my name is Aditya. I'm in 8th standard and I study in Campion School. And this is my certification course for Whiz Juniors in the topic Google Calendar. So the first step is to open Google Calendar. So the URL of Google Calendar is calendar.google.com. So as you can see, when I press enter, it takes me to Google Calendar. Next it says create an event and fill up the details. So you can easily click create over here. So let's call it a meeting. Okay, so I'll set it for maybe the 31st, 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, so the next step is to see the notifications and send the invites to your friends. So here are the notifications. I'm gonna put an email and let's put it to 20 minutes. Show me as available, visibility public. So I have to add my friends. So this is the way you do it. You type their email address and that is how you add them. So the next part is to delete an event. So I'm gonna send the invitations. So as you can see, it says that it's added the meeting. So now let's go to the 31st, and as you can see, the meeting is here. But I want to delete it, so I'll click delete over here. So delete and update yes. So the next step is to go to the calendars tab, and then we have to click this settings button, and you can see the settings option right here. So then from there you have to go to this calendars tab, and then as you can see, we now have to go to my personal calendar because I saved it in my calendar. And now as you can see, we have to go to the bin, then take this meeting and restore it. So now as you can see, when we go to 31st, again the meeting is back here. So the next step is to change date and time format of the calendar. So the way you can do that is by going to settings, the date, you can change it to this, and the time you can change it between 24 hours and 12-hour clocks. And for date format you can change it to date, month and year, month, date and year, date, month and year, or year, month and date. I prefer it to be date, month and then year. So the next step is to set the events from Gmail automatically to on. Events from Gmail, so as you can see there is this checkbox here, so if you click it, then click enable, all events which are sent to you from Gmail will be added. So next is to change the events notification time. So the way to do that, let me quickly save all of these settings which I've done. So now you can see, once I open this event, then I can go to this place and I can change the amount of time when the notification comes between minutes, hours, days and weeks. I would prefer it to be 25 minutes, so I'll set it to that. And then I'll click save. It was saved. Now enable the world clock. So the way you can do that is by going to settings, and then you go to labs, and then from there you go down and then you can see world clock. If I click this, if I change this radio to enable and then click save, it saves it, and now it is in the world clock, as you can see right down there. So next step is to create a new calendar with the following details. Name of the calendar as project. So let me create it. So you go to settings, calendars, create new calendar. So I have to name it as project. So that is done. I'll create it. The next step is to make it public. So that's simply, wait, let it load in. Yep. Okay, so now it's loaded in. So now I have to click share, click calendar, click make it public. So now it will be public, but first I have to share it with all my friends before I save the thing. So I'll add to see only free and busy for him, as that is specified. So I'll share it with one of my friends, Netik Verma. And the next step is to and the last step is color label of the calendar. So once I save it and click yes, now I can go here. As you can see, it has a very boring color, so I want to make it a brighter color, so I change it to red. And that is my certification course for Google Calendar. I hope that you enjoyed the certification course, and thank you for taking your time out to watch it.